Okay. Wow! It's like this with my dog. So pet food. So I got tuna, steamed fish, stewed beef. Let's open the toothbrush. Kailangan na kasing magpalit ni Scout ng brush. I've already used this one before. Daily Nutrition. Let's see if kakainin niya to. Stewed beef. Squiddy Pie! Ready? It's already opened. Let's see if it's like... It smells good. So, ganda siya karami. Konti lang siya. Hindi siya masyadong karamihan. So, meron siyang gravy. It's wet food.